So very good morning, dear students. So today we are going to discussing about functions lecture 2. See, so this one already discussed. Classification of functions we are discussing. Am I correct? Yeah. See, classification of functions. There are two types. Are there algebraic function, transcendental functions? Now, algebraic function means what are they? One is polynomial, rational function, irrational functions, piecewise functions. Again, piecewise functions further dividing into these types: modulus, second function, step function, fraction part. Transcendental means trigonometry, inverse, exponential, logarithms. Let us see. Polynomial function. Any function which is defined by either plus or minus several monomials is called, what is that? Polynomial. I'm giving some examples also, see, dear students. So listen carefully, all of you, please. What is the domain? What is the range? First of all, we're discussing constant function. So in this case, what is the domain? R. What about the K? That is the range. Sri Gautami, only one by one joining. Gautami, you're too late here. Sri Gautami. I'm saying every time try to join the class immediately. Okay. Now see, identity function. What is that? The function F maps R to R is called an identity function. If f of x is equal to x, Mohan is also joining lately. For all x belongs to R. Prithvi Venkat, yeah, one by one joining. Vishal, Prithvi Venkat. Okay. Now see what is the identity function? F maps R to R is called an identity function. F of x is equal to x. So what is the domain here? Set of real numbers. What is the range? Real number, that one also. Uday also join now. So I'm writing times when you are joining. Okay. Piecewise functions. Modulus or absolute function. What is that? It is denoted by mod x. X is positive means x minus x. Fine. Okay. Vishal, Narendra slowly joining. The domain is what here? Set of real numbers. Range is what? R plus union singleton 0. Fine. Properties of modulus. These properties are very, very important. Modulus of x is equal to a. See carefully. Especially fourth one, fifth one is very, very important. Yeah. So sixth one, see, modulus of x by y is equal to how much? Mod x by mod y. So eighth one, minimum of x comma minus x. So these are the graphs. Second function. Okay, now get ready. So I'm giving one example. Who will say the answer? Get ready. Anyone? Tell me. Shruti, Saket, Narendra joining very, very lately. Why? What is the reason? Pranit also. Why? Too late, yeah. Dear students. Now see, this time counting how many of some people are left early, 1 o'clock, like this one. Let me see. Dear students, anyone tell me, second of 2 power 100. What is the value? Anyone? How much anyone? This value? 1. Beautiful. 1. Just a minute. Answer is 1. Fantastic. Accepting? Now, same way, if I'm asking secant of x square here, see example is there here. Secant of x square is what here? Either 0 or 1, it's 1. So these type of observations are very, very important here, students. Now let us discuss what are the properties. Diagram is also very, very important, I'm saying. Okay. Get ready? So please write on all of you. Please write all of you. Properties of secant function. Write on, keep reading. First one. Secant of kx is equal to secant of x only every time k is any natural number. 2. X into secant of x, always mod x. 3. Mod x into secant of x, it gives x only. But very, very rare case here, students, based on this one they are asking. In this case, especially we are using property number 2, we are using. Fine. Anyone tell me, I'm giving one question. Get ready. Example. Secant of x square plus 1. Anyone? What is the answer? What is the domain? What is the range? Anyone? Secant of x square plus 1. What is your answer? Anyone? How to solve? How to approach? See carefully. How do you approach? See carefully. Dear students, I'm writing cases as usual. X square plus 1 greater than 0. 0. X square plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 1 less than minus 1. Clear? Greater than 0, this also less than 0. Yeah. Dear students, what you are observing? This is not possible. Check it. Why? This is the positive. This one is also positive. Positive cannot be 0. Positive. This one also positive cannot be less than 0. So this case also failed. So only one case is failed. Then anyone, for the domain anyone, dear students, always set of real numbers. Take any number, always greater than 0. Fine. But what is the range, anyone? What is the range of this function? Singleton 1 is coming. That is y is equal to 1 only every time. So observation is very, very important here, students. Be careful. Only observation. Now I'm proceeding for the next case. C. Wow, Sivakrishnamurthy joined recently. Okay, good. Now see. Now, greatest integer function. What is another name? Step function. Or tomorrow onwards, so exactly 12:05, I will close the meeting. This one. I cannot give you any permission to join the class. I can lock the meeting. Okay, no. 12:05 exactly. Now see. So a step function is denoted by, how to write this one like this symbol indicates. Write down all of you. Indicates. How to read? Integral part of x, dear students. Should read like this only. That means what here, which is greatest integer or less than or equal to x. Less than or equal to x. That's the meaning. So that means what here, if n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. Now see carefully. Integral part of x is how much, dear students? N every time. N means here, you should understand set of integers. Now I'm giving some examples. After that, tell me what is the domain, what is the range. Anyone see carefully? Integral part of 3.78. Anyone, what is the answer? 3, 1, 2. Integral part of minus 2.5. How much? Minus 3. Integral part of 0.89. 0. Okay, integral part of 0.0089 anything? 0. See carefully. That means what here? I'm writing some examples. For example, x belongs to closed interval minus 3, minus 2. See property. Then what is the integral part of x? Anyone, dear students? Minus 3. For example, x belongs to 3 to 4. Then what is the value of integral part of x? 3. Observation. X belongs to 1 to 2. Then integral part of x is how much? 1. Now see what you are observing. Yeah. So when I'm asking, then only at the time respond please. And then keep quiet. Now see, I'm drawing the picture. See carefully. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that is coming. 1. Okay, dear students, see. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that is coming. You can draw like that. See carefully. Fine. So what you are observing here? I'm drawing the picture. See carefully. Suppose if you're taking x is rise between 0 to 1, then this is the result is coming, including 0 except 1. 1 to 2 means including 1 except 2. The diagram is coming like that one, exactly. See carefully. What is the meaning? See, that's why I'm giving. Suppose x belongs to 1 to 2. What is the integral part of x? 1 is coming. That means this is what here? Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to. Clear? What is the meaning? Integral part of x is equal to 1 means what? Y is equal to 1 if x belongs to close interval 1 comma 2. That is the meaning. Y is equal to, when it is possible, in this case, 2 to 3. That is the meaning. So that's why it is look like steps. That's a step function, this one. Fine. Now get ready, dear students. So f of x is equal to integral part of x. Then what you're observing when you want, what is the domain? F of x is given integral part of x. What is the domain? Anyone? Any real number. That's very important. What is the range of this function, anyone? What is the range? Now tell me, anyone. What is the range? Silent everyone now. So integral part of x. What is the range? No. Are you sure? Set of natural numbers means wrong. Integer is correct. Yes, beautiful. Integer, that is I. Excellent. See, here 3 is possible, minus 3, minus 2, anything. Only set of integers. Right on this point. Excellent. So please write down. So this commanding is very important. Practice is required only regularly. See, output is what here? Any real number, but output, what is the output? Can you get 0 0.2, 0 0.3? No. Output is always getting integer. See the definition. For any value of x, output is always getting integer. Dear students, write down properties. Keep reading. So please write on. Properties of step function 1. X plus or minus n is equal to integral part of x plus or n belongs to y. I'll give you example C. X plus y. You can write like that. 3. That means x greater than or equal to I. I means integer. Okay, now you should understand. Here I means integer. X less than I plus 1. Integral part of x is greater than I means x greater than or equal to I plus 1. X less than I means x less than I. Integral part of minus x is if x belongs to z, integer. X doesn't belongs to, that is, you can write integral part of minus x plus integral part of x is how much? Always minus 1, ninth one. So in this case, seventh one is eighth one is compulsory. Triple star, these are okay, no, especially. Please write on this point. 10th one, integral part of x. And x. Dear students, I'm giving some examples. Can you see? Get ready? The examples. Suppose if I'm giving integral part of x plus 2, what is the meaning? Directly you can write like that only. Clear? 1, 2. Integral part of x plus 1 by 2 is coming. Suppose by this meaning. What is the meaning? Only integral part of x. 3. Tell me, integral part of x is greater than or equal to 3. Then what are the possible values of x? Anyone? Example 3, anyone? Integral part of x is greater than or equal to 3. X can be what? 3 to infinity. That is the meaning. See carefully. Okay. Okay. These are the easy level examples. Here student, now I'm giving solve. Y is equal to 2 into integral part of x plus 3. Y is equal to 3 into integral part of x minus 2 plus 5. Then find integral part of x plus y. Dear students, see, I'm writing step. Both are equal. Am I correct? So 2 into integral part of x plus 3 is equal to, how to write? This is minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Accepting all of you? How means property number 1, see. Because minus 2 is also integer. So what is the result? 3 is equal to integral part of x minus 6 plus 5. So please tell me, what is the integral part of x, anyone? 4 is coming. See carefully. So integral part of x is 4. Then what is the value of y? So 2 into 4 plus 3, that is 11. So therefore, integral part of x plus y, both are integers. And how to write? You can write directly. 4 plus 11 is equal to 15. That is the answer. For the third point, integral part of x greater than or equal to integer. I means some 2, 3, 4 like the integers, minus 1 like that. Then x is always greater than or equal to I. Now, can see. Next one is fractional part function. What is that? What is the fractional part of x? How to write this one? Y is equal to the f of x is equal to integral part of x. So it indicates what is the symbol? This one see carefully. Previous one is what here, dear students? Integral part of x. This one see carefully. How you writing? Y is equal to f of x is equal to integral part of x. But in this case, what here? Fractional part of x. Step x like that. Sorry, not step x. Fractional part of x indicates fractional part of x defined as defined by like that. Y is equal to f of x is equal to, how to write this one? X minus integral part of x. So please all of you keep in bracket this one. That's the meaning. Okay, now next time when I'm asking, I can write x means integral part of x plus fractional part of x. Every number you can write like this. Every number. Take 2 plus 0 like that. Dear students, see, let x is equal to integral part plus fraction part of x. So you should understand here, I means what here? Anyone? Integral part of x. F means what? That is always, better I'm writing 0 less than or equal to f less than 1. That is the meaning. Now I will give some examples. After that, tell me what is the domain, what is the range. Fine. Anyone challenging, use this property. Okay, this one. So what is the value of fraction part of 0.2 anyone? Dear students, anyone? How to solve? 0.2 minus integral part of 0.2. How much? That is 0.2 only. 1, 2. Fraction part of 1.2. How much anyone? 1.2 minus integral part of 1.2. So 1.2 minus this is how much? 1. So that is 0.2. 3. Excuse me. 3. Fraction part of minus 2.7. Anyone? Minus 2.7 minus integral part of minus 2.7. That is minus of minus 3. So that is 0.3. Yes. Get ready. What you're observing, I will ask you. Finally, I'm giving one example. Fractional part of anyone. Fractional part of 7. Anyone? 7 minus integral part of 7. How much? 0. Dear students, now key the conclusion. Anyone? What is the domain? What is the range? Anyone? What is the domain? Real numbers, excellent. Any real number. But what is the range? See careful. What is the range? Output is what the output is coming? 0 or 0.2, 0.3. That means only 0 to open interval 1 only. Now draw the picture. See carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Come on, anyone here? So maximum 1 means what here? This is the line. Okay, no, y is equal to 1. Maximum, minimum is 0. So how is the graph here? See carefully, I'm drawing. Carefully, see carefully. 0 to 1 like that. So just a minute, I'm drawing the picture. Y is equal to 1. Maximum is. But this curve is what here? Not touching the curve. That means 0. Like that, it's coming. Take any value, suppose 2.1. How much coming? 2 is coming, like that meaning. How to draw the graph means tabular form. Make a table, you can get the idea. Simple, draw the table only every time. After that, identify the points. So this is the keywording graph of fraction part of x. Every time write down like this only. What is this? Graph of like that. Dear students, now I'm drawing the picture C table. How to draw the graph means see carefully. So this is x. What is this? F of x is equal to fraction part of x I'm drawing. Any one. My question is suppose minus 2 less than or equal to x less than minus 1. Then what is the graph is coming? Any one? Y is equal to x plus 2. Like that. Minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0. What is the graph? X plus 1. 0 less than or equal to x less than 1 means y is equal to x. 1 less than or equal to x less than means y is equal to x minus 1. I'm drawing the picture, see. So what this graph is what? Y is equal to x. What is the graph? Name 1. X minus 1. What is this graph? Y is equal to x plus 1. What is this graph? Y is equal to x plus 2 boundary for these type of cases. So take the screenshot. Now discuss one previous G mains and advanced question. So Teja, are you Teja, all the Teja revising notes yesterday? All of you revising notes? Monisha, Jahanavi. Jahanavi, that much interaction is not there. Are you practicing notes regularly, Jahanavi? Okay, good, good. Any doubt is that post? Okay, ask me. Chinmayi, how are you, Chinmayi? Chinmayi Sahitya. No, I think you are yesterday I saw this your name in mains also. You are listening both classes. Chinmayi Sahitya mains and advanced. Or another one is there, Chinmayi, I don't know. Okay. Maybe another person. Okay, okay. Maybe one more student is there, maybe. Okay. T. Jayant, very silent. Revising T. Jayant, revising notes regularly. Okay. Now I'm proceeding. Next slide. See. Right on. That's why I'm giving concept come questions. Okay. Yeah, write on notes. Okay, fine, good. Properties. Dear students, see, my request is here I'm giving some properties, some take some suitable values. Whether it is correct or wrong, verify like that. Okay, some suitable values only every time. Okay, properties 1. Fraction part of x is always coming x when? Can you guess? Axis lies between 0 to 1 every time. See carefully. Fine. 2. Fraction part of x is 0. Anyone? For what values of x? Integer. Yeah. So fraction part of x plus or minus n is equal to fraction part of x when n is integer. Okay, enough? Okay. Now I'm giving one question. See carefully. Here lot of practice is required, dear students. Correct? I will ask you individually see. Example, I'm giving C. Fraction part of x and integral part of x, fp and ip respectively. What is the meaning? One is fraction part, another one is integral part respectively. Now solve question number 1 like that. Question number 2, fraction part of x plus 1. Okay, not required, leave it, no problem. Oh shit. Control Z is possible? No. Okay, just a minute. Properties, what is the first one? I forget here. Fraction part of x is coming 0. What is the case? X belongs to Z. Anyone? What is the next one I given? X does not belongs to Z means what is the case? Anyone? X is coming. That's all I think I given. Am I correct? Okay. Yeah, one more thing. X plus or minus n is equal to fraction part of x every time. And it is possible n belongs to integer. Now, example I'm giving fraction part of x and integral part of x denotes fp and ip respectively. Okay, solve. Question is what? Solve. 4 times integral part of x is equal to x plus, fraction part of x 4 times is equal to x plus integral part of x. Anyone? Tell me what the answer? Previous J mains question is one. Solution. Get ready? So here, dear students, here we know that what is that? Anyone? Yes. Dear students, here I'm writing x is equal to integral part of x plus fraction part of x. Please remember this point, all of you, every time. This is the relation. Relation among x, integral part of x, fraction part of x means this is the relation. Now, dear students, see what I'm doing. In the place of fraction part of x, I can write, how to write, dear students, see? X minus, how to write anyone? Better, just a minute. So in the place of x, write down, please, anyone? In the place of x, how to write? 4 times fraction part of x is equal to, like that. So 3 times fraction part of x is equal to 2 times. Okay. So fraction part of x is how much is again? Anyone? 2 by 3 into integral part of x. Again, we know that. What is that? What is the range of this one? Always lies between. Am I correct? What is the range is coming? Always lies between 0 to 1. Is it correct or wrong, dear students? What is the range of fraction part of x? Lies between 0 to 1. Okay. Fraction part of x means 2 by 3 into. So multiply 3 by 2. Fine. So fraction part of x lies between 0 to 3 by 2 means here x must be what? Integer. Why? X must be what integer? What are they? X is equal to 0 or 1. 3 by 2 means 1.5. What are the integers are possible? Between 0 to 3 by 2 anyone? 0 and 1 only. I will share the file here after completing. Don't worry. Listen carefully. X is equal to 0, 1. Dear students, now see case 1. Means what here? You should understand integral part of x should be 0, 1. That is the meaning. Here, integral part of x can be 0 to 3 by 2 means what are they? 0, 1. Because output is what here? It should be integer. Please add this point. Now, integral part of x is 0. Then what is the fraction part of x anyone? 0. Case 2. Integral part of x is 1. Then fraction part of x is how much? 2 by 3. Therefore, any one x can be, what is the answer? So 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 2 by 3, 5 by 3. So therefore, what is the solution? X can be 0 or 5 by 3. That is the answer. So once again, I'm repeating. Listen carefully. Yeah. Dear students, see carefully. I think this one understanding. You replace x by this part. I'm getting this one. Fraction part of x is how much? 2 by 3 into integral part of x. We know that what the range of fraction part of x lies between 0 to 1. Fine. So do this one. Multiply 3 by 2. So integral part of x means integer. What are the integers are possible? 0 to 3 by 2. 0 also possible. 1 is possible. But 2 is not possible. So 0, 1. So if you know integral part of x, we can find out fraction part of x. This is the relation. See carefully. So x is 0 means this is 0. In the fraction part is also 0. Right? Integral part of x is 1 means this is also 2 by 3 is coming. Using these formulas. Now, this is the question. Case 1, case 2, x can be 0 or 5 by 3. So options verification is also possible. You can verify. If anyone confusing, so please write down like this. Since this is the reason. Okay. Ready? So this model is very, very important. This one. It was the previous question. Now I'm discussing one more question. Get ready. Who will respond that one? See carefully. J mains and advanced question. This one. Same question they're asking in. Ready? Dear students, see it's very, very important. Fraction part of x and integral part of x represents, they will mention, okay, don't worry. Represents fp and integral part of x Integral part means they can mention like the greatest integer function, not every same IP, greatest integer function of x, then find integral part of x plus sigma r running from 1 to 2000. Fraction part of x plus r by 2000. Anyone challenge this question? What is the answer? Anyone? See the solution. Get ready. See carefully. Here, what is r here? Put r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, r is equal to 3, up to what? 2000. Here, r, what are the r here? Integers. Okay, now see, let me see. First, I'm discussing this one, okay? Now, consider this part. So, we know that fraction part of x plus r is how much, everyone? Anyone? Only fraction part of x, because r is what? Integer. So here also, what the answer is coming? Sigma r running from 1 to 2000, only fraction part of x is coming by 2000. So what is the meaning here? Fraction part of x by 2000 into sigma r running from 1 to 2000 into 1. What is the value of this one, anyone? That is fraction part of x by 2000 into 1 plus 1 plus repeat. How many times? 2000 times. Both are cancelled. Now, what is the question? Integrate part of x plus is the question. So integral part of x plus fraction part of x, anyone? What is the answer? That is the answer. So don't mug up the concept. Only formulas. Revise the formulas. Can I proceed here, students? K. Sivakrishnamurthy, raise your hand. Okay. Now see. Just a minute. I'm writing names. Raviteja is there. Okay, one. Dear students, see, just a minute. I'm adding some points. Just a minute. Second function, fraction part, okay. Okay, get ready, dear students. Now, types of function discussed, am I correct? Fine. Now discussing algebraic functions completed. Now discussing transcendental functions, right on? It's a very important dear chapter, dear students. This chapter is very, very important, but practice is required. See, let us discuss. So this concept already discussed trigonometry. See, what is the domain, what is the range? See, what is the given? The function which is not algebraic is called transcendental functions. Example, see, what is the given? F of x is equal to sin x, cos inverse x, e power x, like that. Now, trigonometric functions. Functions involving trigonometry ratios are called trigonometric functions. Dear students, what is the graph of sin x? I think all of you know. What is the domain of sin x? That is set of, what is that? Set of real numbers. What is the range? See carefully. -1 to 1. Okay, I've said the file. That's me. What is the graph of cos x? What is the range? Set of real numbers. Range is what? -1 to 1. See the graph. I told you last time, make a table, then draw the graph. Be carefully. This graph is not passing through the origin. Only observation is important. Y is equal to f of x is equal to tan x. What is the domain of this one? R minus odd multiples of pi by 2. Should remove. What is the range is coming? Any real number. See carefully. What is the domain? R minus odd multiples of pi by 2. Such that n belongs to Z. That's the meaning. Next one. What about the graph of cortex? Is the given. So domain is what here? Set of real numbers R minus n pi. Here given clearly and belongs to Z. Here also domain is what? Any real number. Graphs are very, very important here, students. Similarly, secant x. Clear? So what you are observing, domain of cortex and tan x same. So domain of tan x is equal to domain of secant x, both are same. So range is different. What is the range? See, we can write like this also. Any real number minus open interval -1, 1. We can write another way like that. Only observation. So when I am asking, please respond this one. Graphs. Cosecant x. So domain of, that's why I'm giving conclusion. Domain of cosecant x is same as, what is the case, anyone? Domain of cortex. That's the meaning. Range. What is the range? Set of real numbers minus open interval 1, 1 only. The correct cortex. So this is the graph. Okay. See the carefully graphs. What is this? Y is equal to 1. What is this? Y is equal to -1, like that. That's why see range. The curve is not does not touches the lines y is equal to 1, y is equal to -1. Sorry, touches the line. That's why included. Clear? Y is equal to -1, y is equal to 1, touches the lines. Similarly, previous one also see same thing. Now come to the point, inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So functions involving trigonometric ratios are called inverse trigonometric functions. So y is equal to sin inverse x is the graph. We cannot extend up to here only, dear student. Don't expand this one. Up to -1 to 1 range. Domain. This is the domain. See carefully. Range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, cos inverse fx. Domain is what here? Minus 1 to 1. Range is 0 to pi. This is the graph up to here only, ending. Cannot expand this one. So my request is all of you make the table to keep it in domain. What is the domain of cos x, domain of sin x, like that individually? Then can easily understand that one. Okay. So if anybody need, I will write table, no problem. If anybody interested. Okay. Now similarly tan x. What is the domain here? R. Range is what here? Minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. See the graphs. So this line is what here? Y is equal to pi by 2. It is not, does not touches the curve. This is y is equal to minus pi by 2. So these type of observations are very, very important. So what is this line? X is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1. Lies between minus 1 to 1 only. So what about this case? Y is equal to what? Cosecant inverse x. So what is the domain here? Any real number rather than minus 1 comma 1. Open interval I'm taking. See. Be careful. What the range is coming? This one. Similarly, see carefully. Domain of secant inverse x. These are the graphs. So lot of practice is required this one. All of you dear students, humble request. So once again practice these questions. Finally, cot inverse x. Okay. So logarithm functions, I'm drawing the different function graphs. See carefully. Okay. What is the logarithm function definition? Last time we discussed it. A greater than 0. Base must be greater than 0, but not equal to 1. Not equal to 1. How do you remember? I tell you, see. Y is equal to means f of x is equal to log x to the base a. A is always greater than 0, but not equal to 1. X is any positive real number. C is called logarithmic function, dear students. Clear? Leave it. Now, this is the function. How to draw the graph? There are two functions are there. See carefully. So what is the case? See carefully. Log x to the base a when a is always greater than 1. Clear? What about this graph? Y is equal to log x to the base a. But in this case, a is what? Lies between 0 to 1. But these two graphs are intersecting at where? 1 comma 0. Fine. Clear? Now see, I am drawing the different pictures. See, get ready. Now, just a minute. See, see the diagrams carefully, please, all of you. This is the origin x, y. Okay. All the okay now. See carefully. Dear students, this is y is equal to log x to the base 10. Clear? Now see, one more graph I am taking. If base is decreasing, then can you guess what the graph is coming? Like that. Y is equal to log x to the base some 4, like that. But all our graphs are not here passing through 1 comma 0. One more graph. What is that? See carefully. That's why listen the class completely from the beginning to ending. What is the graph? This one. Y is equal to log x to the base 2. That's the meaning. So what you are observing, when the base is rising, the graph is what get towards x-axis. That's the meaning. Is it clear, dear students? That's the meaning. Now, see. Suppose I'm taking a different graph. See. Now see graph. What is the graph? Y is equal to log x to the base 1 by 10 like that. That's the meaning. Another graph I'm taking, see. Y is equal to log x to the base 1 by 6 like that. Another one. Y is equal to log x to the base 1 by 2 like that. One by 10 means per year volta. I think just a minute. No, 1 by 2 means okay, just a minute. Dear student, just a minute. Yeah. What happened? Yellow color is there. That means this is what here? This is 1 by 10. Red color is there. Can take some number 1 by 6 like that. 1 by 4. No problem. 1 by 4. This is 1 by 2. So, but what you are observing, all the graphs are passing through what? 1 comma 0. So these type of observations are very, very important. Okay. Okay. Now see another one. Exponential function. So after that we discuss some problems. Get ready. Tomorrow completely we're discussing only function domain. How to find domain? How to find range? Tomorrow discussing how to find domain range. Okay. If a is greater than 0, write on. If a is greater than 0, what is the result? A must be not equal to 1. The function is defined by y is equal to a power x. X belongs to R is called an exponential function with base a. Means for here, sometimes they're giving y is equal to 2 power x, y is equal to 4 power x, y is equal to 1 by 2 power x. Observing these things, y is equal to 1 by 100 power x. So how to draw these type of pictures? See carefully. Now, dear students, put x is equal to 0. What is the value of f of g? Y 1 is coming, see? That means what here? What is this? Y is equal to 1. That's the meaning. So these two graphs meet and intersect at y is equal to 1. That's the meaning. These two graphs. Fine. Now, see. So this is, I'm drawing the picture, see carefully. Y is equal to a power x when a is greater than 1. What about this case? When y is equal to a power x, like that. Now I'm drawing the picture, see, get ready carefully. Dear students, see, I'm drawing the picture. Zero. Okay. What you are observing, all the graphs are passing through 0, 1. Check it. Ready? Just a minute. Y is equal to some 10 power x is there. Put x is equal to 0. What is the answer? Y is equal to 1 is coming. That's why passing through 0, 1 I told you. Fine. What about this case, dear students? Y is equal to 4 power x. Anything, 8 power x, 100 power x, 20 power x, anything. You can take it, no problem. One more drop, see. Y is equal to 2 power x. Fine. But here, see carefully. If I'm drawing the picture like this, see. What is the graph? I'm drawing the pictures after that, tell me. Only observation. Like that. So what is the meaning here? Base must means power should be, number should be less than 1. Clear, like that. What about this case? Some 1 by 10 power x. Like that. You can draw pictures. Y is equal to 1 by 4 power x, like that is coming. So all that passing through 0, 1, that is the meaning. So this is the x, this is the y. So draw the picture clear, carefully, dear students. So tomorrow we discuss properties of logarithm, properties of exponential functions. Be careful. But before this one, be careful. See, what is the domain here? Any real number. What is the range? R plus, including 0 also not possible, because 0 not possible. No? But here also see, what is the range? Domain is what? R plus. That's why I'm asking every time, what is the domain of logarithm is R plus. What is the range? Any real number. Domain means what here? R plus. So observation is very, very important here, students. Right on. Please write down. Excuse me. So shall I continue? Completed, anyone? Oh, good, yeah. Pranit listening completely. Yeah, good, yeah, good approach. Yes, some students are there listening regularly. Dear students, now I'm giving some questions. Tomorrow discussed. Tell me who will say the answer. Okay, I'm giving some questions. Get ready. Anyone? I'm asking easy level questions. Anyone? Domain. 1 by root over mod x minus x. Challenging anyone, dear students? Question number 1. 1 by root over mod x minus x. Anyone? If you need, I'll give the options also. Simple here. 1 by root f of x. Simple. 1 by root f of x is defined. Is defined. When? Means what? F of x should be greater than 0. Only observation here. Be excellent. F of x is greater than 0. That means here, modulus of x minus x greater than 0 means what is the meaning here, students? So can I take x is equal to 2? Is it possible to? Not possible. Minus 2? Yes, possible. 0? Not possible. Then what is the meaning here? So x belongs to what? Minus infinity to 0. So what is the domain in a 1? Minus infinity comma 0 is the correct answer. Check it. 1, 2, 3 integers are not possible. First of all, take 2 not possible. Yeah, am I correct now? Take 2 no. Minus 2 possible. See, check it. So only minus 2 minus infinity comma 0 is possible. So only observation I'm saying every time. Question number 2. Video I'm giving see different model. Still, especially this one, some people are confusing. What is the domain of? Simple questions I'm asking. Anyone challenging? What is the domain of this one? Anyone? Challenging anyone? Come on. What is the domain of 1 by log mod x? Sai Sanjana, Jayant, Karthik, anyone? Domain of 1 by log mod x. No, 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 no. Sarvan Reddy left. Okay. Sarvan Reddy left. Madam, ఒకసారి చూడండి సర్వన్ రెడ్డి రవితేజ సుష్మిత anyone? So in this case, what here? Continuously you are sending here. Can I take one? X is to 1 possible? Is it possible? So I told you every time, first of all, log mod x must be not equal to 0 every time. Where it is undefined, you should identify that one. Where? Clearly, x must be not equal to what? Minus 1, 0, 1. Logic. So therefore, what is the domain anyone now? Any real number other than minus 1, 0, 1. That's all. Only observation I'm saying every time. Clear? Let's see another question. Yeah. Domain of, okay, first I'm giving small concept, see clearly. Question number 3 I'm asking. Just a minute, questions. Easy question searching, just a minute. So what is the time now? Okay. Okay, anyone tell me. Question number 3. Root over a fractional part of x based on this one, it is not there. No, what is the domain? Okay, anyone? X minus mod x. What is the answer? X minus mod x. Challenging anyone? Anyone? See, what is the case? When it is defined, x minus mod x must be greater than or equal to. So x can be 0, yes, possible. 1, possible. Minus 1, no. That means r plus union singleton 0. 0 also possible. Check it. Final question. Anyone challenge this question? See, root over integral part of x minus x. Now onwards, including classification of functions. Tell me in this case, anyone, what is the range? Not domain. What is the range? Yeah. What is the range? Question number for anyone. But dear student, this type of model, first of all, what we are, you should find out what is the domain. First tell me what is the domain of this one? Integral part of x greater than x means what is the case? Integral part of x greater than x means what is the case? X should be what? Anyone? Huh? Pranit respond. Pranit no. Sai Sajina responding. Yes, exactly. Take one. 1.2. 1.2 possible? No. Can I take integers? Set of integers? Greater than or equal to z, no? Yeah, greater than or equal to z. Yeah. Greater than or equal to z means only integers possible. Yes. What is the range, anyone? Take x equal 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is coming every time. Range is always 0. Singleton 0.